Okay, so we've looked at how we can view and manipulate the eDrawings. Let's take a look at how we can share this information with other users. So back into my eDrawings interface, we have our foot assembly. From the file menu, we can save the eDrawing in numerous formats that we can share with other people. I guess we have the native eDrawing file, which in this case is a .easm. eDrawings can exist in three formats for parts, assemblies, and 2D drawings, and they have their own files extension. We can also compress these into a zip file, as well as a zip file with an executable. So the executable is the embedded viewer. So this is a slightly larger zip file, but it means you only have to send it to someone once, and they can install eDrawings via the executable. You can also save in one of two HTML formats. One which is ActiveX, which contains an embedded ActiveX frame to run in your web browser, and another using WebHTML. This is a new format that's available in eDrawings Professional, and we're going to get to that in the last chapter. We've then got a number of raster file types, so bitmaps, TIFFs, JPEGs, PNGs, and GIFs. So lots of ways to share your information from eDrawings. Okay, so let's finish up looking at a couple of features unique to eDrawings Professional. First is the WebHTML file format. This format creates a single HTML file that can be opened on any modern browser on any device. We've got the same viewing capabilities as we had in the original eDrawings application. So we have a home button to reset the view. We can automatically animate through the views. We can zoom to fit. We can change the display style, including ambient occlusion and perspective modes, changing the views through standard orientations, as well as any shading display styles. We've also got access to the components lists. This is an assembly file, so you can see the structure here, any configurations that might be available, any exploded sequences. Using a simple slide and drag bar, we can explode the assembly out. We have a sectioning tool that works very similarly to the full application, where we can drag back and forth. We can change cutting planes and orientations, include capping or not. We've got a measure tool. This is very handy. So we could come in and we can measure between anything we can select, points and edges and faces, for example. And we've also got a manual move command where we can start dragging the parts around on the screen to explore the assembly in more detail. So using the HTML mode with eDrawings is a great way of sharing data and allows people to view the files without having to install any software, and this will run on any device with a modern web browser. For a more immersive experience for your designs, eDrawings Professional also provides a seamless path to virtual reality. Simply open the SOLIDWORKS assembly in VR, adjust scene settings such as floor and sky, put on your headset and jump into your design. Using the controller, you can teleport from one location to another at the click of a button. This makes navigating through your design easy and fast. You can virtually climb stairs, view sight lines, and look over platform edges to feel what it's like to be inside your design. You can grab objects with another controller click, you can view component metadata, use a pick and place method to disassemble, or simply release to put them back. So we've seen how eDrawings is an incredibly versatile tool for viewing and interacting with CAD data. Please take some time to further explore the functions I've discussed here. I'm sure you'll see the benefits. Thanks for watching.